Hello Ride-On peeps. So I just bought a new 2026 BMW R1300R. Rather beautiful, I think it looks, in its elegance blue. And yeah, I like the way it looks a lot. Actually, just put bar end mirrors on it, made it look even prettier. But the one thing they do at the factory that's really bloody annoying, and I think is really ugly, is this. That's right, wheel weights in silver on black wheels. I mean, they stick out like a sore thumb. I really hate them. And I know they can be swapped out for black, but you know, you don't really want to do that until it's time for a new tyre, right? And so I was thinking, what can I do about that? It's just annoying that they do that. So, as the great Sir Michael Jagger once said, I want to paint it black. So let's mask these ugly suckers off and give it a coat of nice paint. But what are we going to paint it with? Aha, you'll see. Right, there's two weights on the front on both sides of the wheels. And on the back, we have four weights on both sides of the wheel, and I masked them up so that I can paint them. And what we're going to paint them with, we're going to use this. I bought this on Amazon, I know, a couple of years ago, I think. Not the first time I've done this. This is just a regular black nail polish. If your wife is a goth, you might want to steal it out of her makeup and nail collection of paraphernalia. But this is, I'm not sure I can make that out, OPI nail lacquer. And anyway, others are available. Probably only cost you about $10. Probably get a decent one like this for maybe 12, 15. But it'll last a long time. Do you a lot of bites if these kind of minor cosmetics bother you. So let's slap some on, see what it looks like. So I've done the front and I've done the back, and we'll give that a couple of hours just to dry in situ. And then if it needs another coat, I can always give it another coat, but otherwise should be good to go. And I think that'll look a lot better.